Hello. What's up, guys? Well, welcome to the Trading Success Show. Today we'll be talking about NFTs. So, what is an NFT? But before we do that, I want to make you understand that this is not a recommendation or advice to buy or sell any stock or equity. You must consult with a professional financial advisor before making any financial decisions. Whatever you see here is for entertainment purposes only, because you may win or you may lose money. So, if this is your first time,
this community is strong. We've done some amazing things in the past, and we're going to do some more amazing things in the future. So if you want to be part of it, just hit subscribe. I'm not even asking you to ring a bell. I'm not asking you to like the video or anything. Those are nice little added bonuses. The subscribe is the cake.
don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell, and turn on the notification for more content. However, we're going to go into NFTs, okay? Because that's what has been happening. You've heard about blockchain, you've heard about stocks that are moving based on Bitcoin, investing on blockchain. You've heard about companies going into electronic vehicle. Now what is happening right now, I wouldn't call it a bubble, but what is happening right now is NFTs. The one we just had before was the EVs. Different companies, small company, penny stock company, and all that going into what? EV, electronic vehicle. Now we have in the market, what is hot in the market right now is NFTs. Guess what? I could just say, okay, let me just draw something and draw this and that and just put it up there. Okay, and it will sell. Okay, so it is very important. Even Elon Musk recognized this, aspect of the market. Okay, and say yes. Now, what is NFT? Let's go dive into it. Okay, an NFT is a non-fungible token existing on a blockchain. A token is the sign of ownership of an asset, which perhaps will include an art or record label and things like that. This will give the owners the right to their collection. Okay, so now, for example, a concert, a ticket is a sign of ownership of one space for a concert. So a Bitcoin is the title of ownership to the underlying value of Bitcoin. A token is a digital asset stored on the blockchain right there. And as the blockchain is transparent, it is easy for all to see who is the owner of what token. So it also helps this artists and stuff like that. Okay, so fungible, it refers to an asset that is easily exchangeable. A dollar is very fungible. You can give me $1 in exchange for some good or exchange for some services. So that is what is referred to as fungible. Okay, so now we have situation whereby Elon Musk also, okay, according to Market Business Insider, okay, Elon Musk takes a dig at NFT investors. Okay, so he actually threw a little bit more light on the token. Okay, so it makes sense that we have these big boys coming into it. So now, what are the stock? What I mean stock, what are the stock that are moving higher based on NFTs? Now we have the frenzy going on. We have TKTA, we have JFIN, we have YVR, we have OCG, and now today being Friday, the quadruple wishing day, we have ZKIN. ZKIN, where you at? Let's look at ZKIN. That is what happened. Okay, ZKIN was trading at $4.30, like $4.30, and now we have it trading at what? At $14 pretty much. Now let's look at what the daily. Let's see the daily. This is the daily. Okay, we've had this stock right from here. You know, a dollar lows of 65 cents, and then push higher and higher and higher. And today we have it at what? At $14. That is where the stock is trading at right now. Okay, so that is what's going on with NFTs. Okay, even Bloomberg also acknowledged NFTs as well. This is the NFT craze actually does make sense. So the world will begin to recognize the new gen of art and a new generation of art portraits, and people will be buying it and and just, you know, where this original copy is well inscribed on a blockchain. Okay, so now as we come to embrace this culture of art, we can as well enjoy trading this piece of art in the stock market. That is where these stocks comes into play, and I will give you a run-up of what is happening. Now take a look at YVR. Okay, this is what happened. This is the daily, and what is going on here is simple. The stock broke the trend, and now they came up with some news about some art and stuff like that, and all of a sudden the stock started going higher and sold off. Okay, so I just want to give you these stocks, that these are the plays, these are the stocks that you keep an eye on if this frenzy continues. We have OCG as well. OCG, I played this one. I was in this one since the $5, because when we broke this level, because I was waiting for this level to break right here. I was waiting for this level to break, which is a technical level, though we have resistance around here, but I was waiting for this level to break, which is $5, and I got in and I rode it all the way up and sold at $17, $16, $17. That's where I sold most of my position, and the stock pulled back down and closed at 10.16. Okay, so next one is going to be our we already talked about the YVR already, so that is not a big deal there. Just put that on your radar as well. Next one we're going to talk about is TCAT. TCAT is crazy. It's like, you know, let me pull this up because this is really interesting. This is not a TCAT, but this is a TCAT. Okay, so anyways, so this actually push higher from the base. Okay, we broke trend and we just push. This one, what happened was I got in at the break of this level here at $4. So I got in and I held it. It pulled back. I did not sell on the pullback. So what I decided to do was just hold it and sold a little bit of my position here, sold a quarter, and this thing pulled back down, and I was like, I'm still, about 1 point or 50 cents in the money, so let me just add it back. So this support held properly, and then we just push higher. So I just kept selling on the way up, because I'm not that kind of person who likes to hold everything until, who knows. So I was just selling. I think I sold at 15, 22, and 39 $39 per share. So that's where I got out of my final position. But after hours, guess where the stock went? The stock went to $43. Let's look at it real quick. Stock went to $43. Surprising, in fact. Let's look at that. TCAT. Okay, so that's what happened. Okay, so we broke out, and then we started pushing higher, pull back, push higher, pull back, and then we just kept going. Okay, we just kept going. So right now we have a 43.90, which is $44. That's our high. So we need to break this area. If we can break this area of $40, we should be able to test this $44 again. Okay, we just need, on the downside, we need this level to hold. If we cannot hold this level of $26, we'll push back down to this area, which is $20, $19. So we need to hold this level right here. This is the level we need to hold. Let me highlight that real quick too. We need to hold this level right here. If we cannot hold this level, we push back down. Okay, but if this level holds, guess what is going to happen? We're going to push higher to retest this spot, which is our resistance right around here. If this level holds, and it holds this resistance as a support, I think we'll be able to test new highs on TCAT. Okay, the one that is happening today right now is ZKIN. Okay, we had news about the art NFTs. They are involved in NFTs as well, so this one, keep an eye on it. The level for this to watch is just gonna be this level right here. This is our support. Oh, my drawing is terrible. Okay, this is the area to watch. This is our support. So no matter what happened, you need to come down here, test this level before we start going higher. If it comes down here and it doesn't hold this previous resistance, which is now support, we'll have to push back down to this level right here, which is going to be our $9.25 area. This area right here, that's where we need to hold. Okay, so that's how I'm going to play this ZCAM. If the momentum keeps pushing higher and higher, we should be all right. On a trend wise side on this hourly, because I like hourly sometimes because it's very clear. Look at this. This is the trend we need to watch. Okay, so no matter what happened, like I said earlier, if we fail this area, this is the trend we need to hold as support before we start moving higher. Okay, like they always say, to the moon, right? So NFT is a non-fungible token. It is not a new trend film technique. Okay, it is the next billion-dollar crypto sensation, a digital hat boom. That is what we got going on right now. So in the aspect of art, you can do anything, you can draw anything, you can design something, and say, hey, I got this idea, let me put it out there. And you put it out there and you have somebody come in and buy it. That is your NFT. Okay, it's a non-fungible token that exists in the blockchain. Okay, but if we cannot buy NFT, what are we gonna do? We're gonna buy the stock. Okay, we're gonna buy the stock. That is what we're gonna do. Now that we have today being Friday, it's what they call quadruple winching. Okay, it's no time for Halloween, but we must be prepared in case, you know, Halloween comes early. Okay, in case Halloween comes early, we need to be prepared no matter what. Okay, we need to be prepared no matter what in case Halloween comes, you know. So anyways, that is pretty much what I have going on today in terms of NFTs and what to expect, which stocks to look out for. It's very important that you also maintain your equity level as well, so that when stocks like this keep coming up and you just, you know, buy at a reasonable price. But this is not a recommendation to buy or sell any stock or equity. Okay, so I hope you all have a great day, and happy hunting. Okay, bye bye.